English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, assistance, exchange, fortunate. Assistance. Assistance is a noun. B2 learners usually know assistance. At B2, assistance means help. Here are some examples. They asked him if he wanted any assistance. If assistance is required, he will ring the bell. She needs assistance to get in and out of the car. Exchange. Exchange is a verb. B2 learners usually know exchange. At B2, to exchange is to take something back to a shop. Here are some examples. The dress is too big, so she plans to exchange it tomorrow. A customer can exchange any item for up to 14 days. He had hundreds of small coins, which he exchanged for banknotes. Fortunate. Fortunate is an adjective. B2 learners usually know fortunate. At B2, fortunate means lucky. Here are some examples. It was fortunate that the weather was good. It is fortunate that you carry a spare in the car. The animals were fortunate to be adopted by kind families. Now write some of your own sentences with assistance, exchange and fortunate. Download the free B2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.